Hello, welcome back to Citroen C1. Welcome back to the channel. It was suggested after the last video that it's a good idea if we put a secondary seal on the boot. So by way of an addendum video to that one, here's me putting a secondary seal on the boot to prevent any leaks. So in this one then, I'm just going to use some of this stuff. This is the D-shaped stuff that was left over from when I did the front leaks. I'm literally just going to put this all the way around the top, the sides and the bottom. Right, so what we've done then is, starting just there, I'll push that back in, we've added a secondary seal that sits between the original seal and all the various body trim parts. Goes up all the way around the top, so there's no gaps at the top. That was the main point. Down the side, I probably could have located that a little bit better, but it'll do the job, you get the idea. Exactly the same down the other side, and all the way across the underside of the boot. And it's all nice and hidden, and I will sort that out. I'll sort something about that one. But yeah, now if we close the boot, it feels pretty solid when you do that now, rather than the usual rattly sort of. There we go. You do have to give it a good old shove though, but that should be watertight for years to come. Well, that was a nice easy job. We like nice easy jobs. Again, usual sort of stuff. Products in the description that I used. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Any comments are appreciated. And if you did like it, ring the bell. I'll see you in the next one.